Hey everyone, it was easier for me to just make a quick video and tell you this rather than try to type it all out on the calendar. Anyhow, last week you guys did one lesson and it was going over settings in stories. And it asked you to do some written work, but there was no submit button. So it was for practice. But this week there's no submit button either for your written work. And I'm like, this is creative writing. I should be reading some of the things that you're writing out and learning how to do. So this one will be for a grade. This week you're going to be reading about narration and a narrator, at least for the first part of the week. I'll give you another lesson later. So this is lesson 2 on narrative elements, and it's going to talk about the narrator, and it will have you write out something at the end, and it even shows you the rubric that I'm going to use to grade it. So if you could please share it with me, do it on a Google Doc, and you can title it, Creative Writing Lesson 2, the narrator, however you want to do it, make it obvious. But if in the subject, when you share it with me, it shows me that this is creative writing assignment, then I'll know to put it into your folder and get it graded. So when you get to that at the end of the lesson, when it asks you to write a piece and it shows you the rubric on how you're going to be scored, please do that on a Google Doc, share it with me. I'm going to grade it and get it into the grade book. And that's